Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AWS SNS for notification workflows detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the AWS Management Console. Log in using your AWS credentials. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the console. Type SNS into the search bar and select Simple Notification Service from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the SNS dashboard. To create a new topic, click on the Topics option in the left-hand navigation pane. In the Topics section, click on the Create Topic button. Choose the type of topic you need, either standard or FIFO. Enter a name for your topic in the name field. Optionally, provide a display name for SMS notifications. Set other configurations as required for your workflow. Once you have entered the necessary information, click Create Topic. After creating the topic, you will see it listed on the Topics page. Next, you need to create a subscription for your topic. Click on the topic you just created to open its details page. On the Topic Details page, click the Create Subscription button. In the Protocol dropdown, select the type of notification you want to use, such as email, SMS, or HTTP. Once done, click the Create Subscription button. Your subscription will show up in the list once it's created. For email or SMS protocols, confirm the subscription by responding to the confirmation request sent by AWS. Next, navigate back to the SNS dashboard. Click on Messaging in the left pane. From there, you can choose to publish to your newly created topic. Click on Publish Message and select your topic from the dropdown. Enter the message details in the provided fields. You may also add message attributes if needed. Finally, click on the Send Message button to dispatch your notification. Once you've completed these steps, you've successfully registered with AWS SNS for notification workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.